Hey guys, this is Steven from Nikola Pro, back again with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install our steering wheel wrap for the Tesla Model 3 and Y. The full kit can be found on our website at nikolapro.com. The backing paper of the vinyl is pre-cut into sections, and I recommend that you follow the same order for removing the backing paper as shown in the video. Also ensure that your vehicle is completely clean and free of any dust or debris before starting. The vinyl material we use is best installed in a temperature around 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Set your climate control and leave it for a few minutes to cool down the inside of your vehicle. Now let's get to the install. Starting off with the bottom section, peel off the section of backing paper at the top and align it underneath the horn. Make sure the material will cover the left and right sides evenly. Peel off the next section of backing paper and apply force with your fingers. Continue this for the last piece. Use the squeegee to tuck in the edges and remove any remaining bubbles. Moving on to the next section, peel off the middle section of backing paper and align it so two arrows of the steering wheel are visible in the cutouts of the vinyl wrap. Press down firmly with your fingers and move on to the bottom section of backing paper. For the last section on top, move slowly in small sweeps with your fingers to ensure the vinyl stays aligned. Use the squeegee to tuck in the vinyl underneath the horn and fold over the edges. Continue this process for the other side. Thank you guys for watching. As always, you can contact us any day of the week via email, through our website, or on Twitter.